Welcome to Shop Lista. This delicious recipe is going to blow your mind. Today I am making tostones, not with plantain, but with this. Please let me know in the comment if for you this is a fruit or a vegetable. I would like to know. So the first time I ate the tostones at a pan, right? That's how they call it in Puerto Rico. When I went to Puerto Rico in 2001, my sister-in-law made me tostones de pan. In the Dominican Republic, in my house, they call this catania, but my grandmother used to call it buen pan. So there's some people that call it buen pan. There's another name for it besides catania and buen pan. Fruta. I forgot, but anyway, whatever you call it, please let me know in the comment. What name do you have for this veggie or fruit? This one look a little bit beat up, and I'm gonna tell you, this one was the best looking one in the supermarket. And I have to say, this is way too expensive in New York. In the Dominican Republic, I had it for free because I grew up in a farm, but here I had to pay a lot of money for it. Anyway, let's do this. And I'm going to be making it with shrimp. So I have here a bowl with water, and I'm going to add about a regular spoon, like the spoon you eat, of salt. That is because this have like a fluid that comes out of it, and it changes the color if you don't do this. So let's do it. Put some salt on the water. So this recipe, I didn't learn it in the Dominican Republic. This recipe, I learned it in Puerto Rico with my sister-in-law, Anna. And she made this for me when I was 17 years old in 2001. And I just fell in love with it because she made tostones for me in the oil. They fry it, but they boil it first. So it was very stunning for me when I saw that she was frying it without boiling it. She was like, no, this is tostones of pan. And I was like, what? So I was surprised because this vegetable is like really hard. So I thought that she needed to boil it first. So I learned something new, and ever since I had, made it. When I came from Puerto Rico, I made it right away for my family. And it was something new for us. And while they enjoy the bath, we're gonna make the shrimp. And while we're making our shrimp, what I'm gonna do now is that I'm going to remove the fruit from the water, and I'm gonna put it on paper towel so they can absorb the water, because you do not want to put something with water in frying oil. And to start making our shrimp, we have a spoon of tomato paste, half a chicken cube, fresh garlic, Dominican oregano, paprika, black pepper, and adobo. And here I have the 3-color pepper and a white onion. We're going to stir fry this ingredient with olive oil. our oil is already hot. And here I have the fruit or the vegetable, however you want to call it. They are dry, and we're gonna fry them. So let's see our basket fit. Oh, look how beautiful. Look how beautiful basket look. Nice. And now that our oil is nice and hot, we're gonna put our basket to fry. And now that our baskets are done, we're gonna put them upside down so all the oil will go down. How beautiful they look. Oh, delicious. And now to finish our shrimp recipe, we're gonna garnish with some fresh cilantro. And we are going to turn off the stove because our shrimp are nice and done. Thank you for staying until the end. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe as much as I have enjoyed making it. God bless, and I see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share, like and subscribe.